Thank you, the swimmers and the supporters. You guys made a lot of waves today. I've seen them. My lab at Cold Spring Harbor focuses on how what you eat affects the growth of cancer. And I've been working for the past 5 years to understand the basic principles of how what you eat feeds into the cancer and to figure out the good food that you may consume or the bad food that you may consume. So that may seem simple, but it's actually very complicated. And so we teamed up with Professor John Moses' lab. Adam Morehouse here is representing. They are chemists. I'm a biologist. So thanks to the support from Steve and Kevin and all the other donors, now we started a project to slowly but surely make drugs that will be able to mitigate some of these problems that cancer patients may have. And the focus there is to make your immune system strong so that, your immune system can take care of cancer without needing toxic therapies like chemotherapy or radiotherapy. And so this is, as I mentioned to you, it's not an easy journey for us. So we need to put a lot of work in the lab. I didn't swim today, but we'll go back to the lab and make some waves in the lab. Thanks to your support.